One of the most common annoying pests that can frustrate your hydroponic garden is fungus gnats. If you are looking for solutions to killing fungus gnats in your hydroponics garden, we have the answer for you here. These repugnant pests are usually seen flying around hydroponic gardens, be it in an indoor garden, houseplants, or greenhouse. They can reproduce so rapidly, and the females are capable of laying up to 1,000 eggs. They are also known as fungus gnats because they can infect your plants with fungal diseases. Both the adult gnats and their larvae are perilous to the health of your plants. Therefore, getting rid of these troublesome flies is crucial to avoid infestation of your garden. What are fungus gnats? Fungus gnats are flying pests that can infect your garden with fungal infections. A female gnat can lay hundreds of eggs at a time, and they love to lay eggs in damp or algae environments. They can be found flying and walking about on your grow medium and the base of your plants. Adult fungus gnats will lay eggs that will cause havoc to your garden. It is their larvae that will feast on your plant root system and eat away and expose your plant root to pathogens. Gnat larvae will chew deep into your plant root, in turn causing stunted growth, loss of foliage, and discoloration of leaves. Fungus gnats are common pests to plants such as cucumbers, peppers, mushrooms, wheat, clover, lettuce, soybeans, alfalfa, potato, and corn. A garden that is seriously infested with gnats will display symptoms of nutrient deficiency because the root system has been impaired. Killing fungus gnats in hydroponics. Taking control of the situation is very important when your garden starts to experience fungus gnat invasion. So, here are the various methods you can use in killing fungus gnats in your hydroponics garden. Biological method of killing gnats. Hydrogen peroxide. An effective way in killing fungus gnats in your hydroponics garden is to use 3% hydrogen peroxide. Dilute 3% hydrogen peroxide with water. Make use of 2 tablespoons for 1 gallon. We recommend you start by using a little portion for the first 1 or 2 weeks, then increase the portion afterward. Even though hydrogen peroxide is very effective, it can burn your plants. Therefore, use them with care. However, we recommend other methods before you settle for hydrogen peroxide. If other methods fail, then you can try using them. Commercial products. There are several commercial products to use to kill fungus gnats in your hydroponics garden. They are pretty effective, just make sure you follow instructions and your hydroponic garden will be good to go. Natural method of killing fungus gnats. Sticky traps. Sticky traps can be used to catch and kill fungus gnats. If you can kill them, you have the chance of preventing them from laying eggs, thus reducing hydroponic garden infestation. Vinegar. Put some vinegar inside a jar. Fungus gnats are usually attracted to sweet-smelling vinegar. You can cover the vinegar jar with a thin cover and puncture a hole or 2. They will fly through the jar holes to reach the sweet-smelling vinegar and eventually drown. Preventing fungus gnats problems in hydroponics. Preventing the future occurrence of fungus gnats will go a long way to keeping your hydroponic garden healthy. Here are the ways you can prevent fungus gnat infestation. Shut all doors and windows in your hydroponic garden. Fungus gnats can gain access to your indoor hydroponic garden by simply flying in through your windows or doors. Double-check any new plants you may want to introduce to your hydroponics garden. A single fungus gnat eggs infected plant can wreak havoc on your hydroponic garden. Between watering, allow the upper part of your plant to dry out before you water again. Therefore, you should maintain a dry environment at the top part of your growing medium. This will discourage fungus gnats from laying their eggs as they like damp areas. Remove any access to fungus gnat food sources by getting rid of any dead plant matter or algae. It is pretty common to have fungus gnats issues among hydroponic growers. Therefore, the key to beating this problem is to act fast, as they can be easily controlled. The victim that suffers from fungus gnat is mostly indoor gardeners, be it home or greenhouse. Outdoor garden fungus gnat issues are usually controlled by seasonal weather changes and natural predators that feed on them. If you like this video, don't forget to like and